Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in today's video we are going to discuss about a small cap oil field servicing and maintenance company which you might not have heard about, but this is something which you should give your attention to. Why is that? We are going to find out in this video. This video is going to be very important. You might not get this information elsewhere because this is not a popular company or a popular stock that everyone is discussing. So I wanted to bring this stock in front of you so that you can dig deeper into it, and if you find it valuable, then definitely you can take your own steps accordingly, right? So with that said, let me start the video. Just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video to help you make better trading and investment decisions, right? With that said, let's get started. Let me take you to the screen. Alright, this is the name of the company. The name is Asian Energy Services. First of all, let's take a look at the official website. This is the official website and nothing much to discuss here right now. I will share this link. Please go through it and you will definitely get to know a lot of details about this company. Okay. Now, when we come to the screener page, we can read the about section. Asian Energy Services Limited is an oil field service and reservoir imaging company offering a suite of geographical services specializing in land, well, seismic services and operation and maintenance services of oil fields. It is one of the few companies providing end-to-end service in the upstream oil segment. This is the basic thing. I'm not going too much detail into the key points business portfolio. This is for you to do the homework so that you can get to know about it. Now, if we talk about the important numbers of this company, the current stock price is 440 with a market cap of 2140. So that's why it is a small cap company. Reserves it has is 450 crore and a debt of almost 160 crore. Equity ratio is good at 0.32. 3 years average sales growth is 93.05. Average profit growth and earning per share growth is almost close to 50, which is a very good number. Interest coverage ratio is above 5, current ratio is above 2, operating profit is at 11.09. And if you take a look at the PE, then the industry PE is 22.90, stock PE is 33.13. Okay, so it is almost close to the it is fairly valued, kind of fairly valued, slightly overvalued, but almost close to this number. Okay, and if you take a deeper look into this entire section, you will notice one more company, that is this one, Deep Industries. I am not discussing about this company in this video, it is for some other video. Okay, and if you take a look at the PE number 10.60, it is highly undervalued right now. Okay, if you compare it to the industry PE, so definitely it is something very interesting, and also it has better numbers in terms of debt to equity ratio and also in terms of operating profit margin, much better number. So we'll take a look at that also in future videos, maybe in my other channel. Okay, now coming to the other numbers, let's check the profit loss statement. So if we take a look at the profit loss statement, we can see that the annual sales growth is very good, from 465 to 791, then 947 in the trailing 12 months. And if you take a look back, it was 305. So it jumped from 305 to 465. Okay, now if we take a look at the operating profit, that has also grown here, 42 to 66, then 95, 105. Operating profit margin has tanked down, it has dropped, but it is trying to maintain. As you can see, 14%, 12%, 11%, maybe in the coming year it might increase. Okay, now earning per share 9.41, 11.38, 12.62. okay, so this is the earning per share number. So far everything is looking good. Okay, now if we go down to the shareholding pattern, we can see that there has been slight decrease in the stake by the promoters from 60.97 to 60.75 and then 56.14. So this is one of the downsides which I see in this company. Okay, but on the flip side, we can see that the FIs have increased their stake 1.09 to 1.34, then 1.39. But yes, the decline is more than the increase in stake, and the DI's holding has been fluctuating from 0.52 to 0.81, then 0.27. okay, so this is one of the thing which we should be little bit concerned about, but it is not the only thing which is going to be a deal breaker for this company, because the overall sales growth and everything is fine. Now this is all about the fundamentals. What does the price action say? Is it really showing strong signs? Well, let's find out. I'm going to take you to the price action, but before that, if you are all watching the video so far and you are liking it, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done it yet. Okay, now let's go to the price action. So this is Asian Energy Services in monthly time frame. Now why monthly time frame is important? You see, monthly time frame shows us the bigger picture, and you know that the stock price, the trend, everything follows the bigger trend. Okay, if the bigger trend, the stock is in a long term downtrend, then no matter how promising the 15 minutes or 100-minute candlesticks or the pattern is, it will eventually go down after a little bit of uptrend. Okay, so that's why the long term trend is important. So here what we are going to do first is use the fib retracement to check the retracement. Okay, so what exactly am I talking about? Let me show you. So this is the high, this is the low here. Okay, let me highlight. Okay, so if we see, I have marked this as the high. Okay, this as the high, and obviously this is the low, and you can see the retracement coming down till the 50% retracement level, that is 247. Okay, and after that we are getting to see big green monthly candle here. Okay, and then the trend continued, and here I can clearly draw one trend line like this, connecting all these points. I can draw one trend line. Okay, yes, so we can clearly see there are around 3 touch points, 2 here, this is almost a touch point, and this is 4 touch points already, and here we are getting to see that it is acting as a support and then starting to show some strong sign of uptrend. Okay, so this is about the fib retracement and the trend line. Now I will mark this as a blue line and delete this fib retracement to keep the chart clean. Okay, now let's take a look at the anchored VWAP point. Okay, this is the anchored VWAP. I'll put it at the high here, and you can see the anchored VWAP has already turned in the upward direction in a monthly, and it is trying to act as a support. Okay, now let's check the momentum. We have to check the momentum, how strong the momentum is. So when we look at the momentum indicators, we are getting to see a very good and clean crossover in monthly time frame in the MACD here, and also the same thing with RSI, though it is clearly indicating that the stock is catching a long term uptrend without any doubt. Now let's go to the lower time frames like the weekly and daily. So when we come to the weekly time frame, we are getting to see almost the same thing. Okay, and in this week, today is Tuesday, and in the last 2 days, that is yesterday and today, it has gone up by 21.06%. so definitely it's a big move by the company. Now if we go to the daily time frame, okay, let me delete this anchor VWAP. Okay, daily time frame, and check the 200 days EMA. We can clearly see that the 200 days EMA has turned in the upward direction, and not only that, it is acting as a support here. Okay, the stock did bounce up from this level and again use this level as the support, and now it is trying to show strong sign of the uptrend. And also if you use the 50 EMA, the 50 EMA is also doing a great job. Here is the golden crossover. If you have missed, this is the golden crossover, and you can see 50 EMA trying to act as support here and here as well. So that is a clear confirmation that it is trying to catch strong uptrend. So definitely you should take a deeper look into this company, and you should try to gather as much as info about this company, about its business, and if you really like it, then you should plan what you want to do with this company. But this is a stock which normally does not come in the mainstream. That's why I thought of making a video about this one. If this was valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.